Hi everyone, I am Gian G. Lasanas.
And Angel Rose Lipapa.
In this video, we tackle all about social group.
What is a social group? A social group is two or more people who identify with and engage with each other. Mashonis 2012.
As an individual, you may be member of a religious group, an ethnic group, a working colleague group, a college class, a sport team, and so on. These are also referred to as social groups. A social group is distinct from the aggregate, which consists of people who are temporarily grouped together in an area, perhaps even performing the same thing but do not consider themselves to be members of a same group. Ang social group ay isang pangkat ng mga tao na may iisang interes, layunin o katangian. Maaaring magbuo ang mga pangkat. Mga halimbawa nito ay pamilya, mga kaibigan, mga kasamahan sa trabaho, mga team sa sport, mga kongregasyong ng relihiyon. Types of group according to influence. Primary and secondary group. The differences between primary and secondary groups lies in the kinds of relationship their members have with one another. Primary groups involve interactions among members who have an emotional investment or attachment in one another in the situations, who know one another intimately and interact as total individuals rather than through specialized roles. They are smaller in number and occur over a long time. Primary-secondary ay isang grupo na nagbubuo mula pagkabata mo pa lang. Halimbawa nito ay pamilya, edad, kasarian, at iba pa. Another example of a relationship under the primary group are between friends, husband and wife, parents and child, and teacher and pupil. On the other hand, sample group under primary group include playground, family, village, neighborhood, and work team. Secondary group usually have a specific goals, are formally organized, and are impersonal. They tend to be larger than the primary group, and its members do not necessarily interact with all other members. Ang secondary group ay isang konsepto sa sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na mayroong pangkahalatang layunin o interes, ngunit hindi gaanong malapit o personal ang relasyon sa isa't isa. Example of relationship under the secondary group are between clerk and customers, announcers and listeners, performer and spectator, and officers and subordinate. On the other hand, sample group under the second group include Nation Clearly, her chief professional associations, and corporations. Types of groups according to membership. In-group is a social group to which a person psychologically identify as using a member. Ang in-group ay isang konsepto na sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na mayroong malapit na relasyon, pagkakakilanlan at pagkakaisa. Ang mga membro ng in-group ay mayroong pagkakakilanlan sa isa't isa at mayroong pagkakaisa sa mga layunin at interes. While out-groups is a social group with which an individual does not identify. Ang out-group ay isang konsepto sa sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na hindi kasama sa in-group o sa pangkat ng mga taong mayroong malapit na relasyon at pagkakakilanlan. Reference groups. A reference group is a group or social category that an individual uses to help define beliefs, attitudes, and values, and to guide behavior. It is often a category we identify with rather than a specific group we belong to. In addition, they provide a comparisons against which people measure themselves, and other positive reference group are composed of people we want to emulate. Negative reference groups, on the other hand, provide a model we do not wish to follow. A reference group ay isang konsepto sa sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na ginagamit ng isang individual bilang punto ng paghahambing o pagtuturo para sa kanyang sariling pag-uugali, mga halaga at mga paniniwala. Types of reference group. A normative reference group influences your norms, attitudes, and values through direct interactions. Ang normative reference group ay isang konsepto sa sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na nagbibigay ng mga normal, mga halaga at mga paniniwala na ginagamit sa isang individual bilang punto ng paghahambing o pagtuturo para sa kanyang sarili pag-uugali. Next is a comparative reference group. It's a group of individuals whom you can compare yourself against, may strive to be like. A comparative reference group ay isang konsepto sa sosyolohiya na tumutukoy sa isang grupo ng mga tao na ginagamit sa isang individual bilang punto ng paghahambing o pagtuturo para sa kanyang sariling pag-uugali, mga halaga at mga paniniwala sa pamamagitan ng paghahambing sa ibang grupo o individual. Ito ang mga example ng normative and comparative reference group. Sa normative, teacher, siblings, and friends. Sa comparative naman ay celebrities and heroes. Social network. A social network is a sociological concept that refers to the social relationship that exists between network parts and individuals. In an organization, network elements can include social groups or teams, organizational units, or entire organizations. Ang social network ay isang network ng mga tao na nagkakaroon ng mga relasyon at interaksyon sa isa't isa. Ito ay maaaring magkaroon ng iba't ibang anyo tulad ng mga personal na relasyon, mga relasyon sa trabaho, o mga relasyon sa online na komunidad. Social network in practice. All our functions at work and in private take place in some social networks. Every social network is about relations that include social interactions and social communications. We can easily describe, map, and analyze social network through social network analysis and sociometry. The basic types of social network in the organizations are formal organizational structures and informal organizational structures. The social network in the organizations form are informal organizational structures. It influences on the events and decisions making in the organization is greater in less authoritative management styles and types of their organizations. Often in practice, the informal organization structure is more influential on what is happening in the organizations than the formal organizational structures. Ang social network practice ay tumutukoy sa mga gawain, mga kaugalian at mga tradisyon na ginagawa ng mga tao sa loob ng isang social network tulad ng Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at iba pa. Ito ay ang mga aktibidad na ginagawa ng mga tao upang makipag-ugnayan sa ibang tao, makapagbigay ng impormasyon at makapagbigay ng kahulugan sa kanilang mga buhay. And again, I am Gian G. Lasanas from Rizal Integrated National School, Grade 12 Friendly Class.